Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing. Confirm your router supports VPN or decide to use an app on your device, because that determines the method. Once chosen, pick a reputable provider with AES 256 or CHA-CHA-20 encryption and a strict no-log policy to protect privacy. Make sure you have your account credentials and payment method in hand, and check device OS version so compatibility isn't an issue. Now, install the provider's app or gather router login details. This gets you into the first actionable setup step. You now install and configure. If using an app, sign in and grant needed permissions so the VPN can route traffic. If on a router, upload the provider's configuration file and enter credentials in the VPN section. Once connected, select a nearby server for speed or a specialty server for streaming or P2P. Make sure to enable the kill switch and DNS leak protection. These settings prevent data leaks if the tunnel drops. After that, test with an IP check to verify the tunnel is active. You finish by confirming everything works. Run an IP check and a DNS leak test to ensure your real address is hidden. Once done, verify essential services load. If performance is poor, switch protocols. WireGuard for speed, OpenVPN TCP for stability, or pick a different server because congestion varies. Make sure AutoConnect is active on Wi-Fi networks. If problems persist, restart the router and device, and contact provider support with logs. That's single troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.